So in this video I'm just going to tell you how you can easily hide your friend list on Facebook. So do not forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started without wasting any time. And first of all, open up your Facebook and then just go to the menu and click on this gear to open up settings and privacy, and click on this search bar and then just type here friends. So here you can see the option of who can see your friend list. Just open up it, and here you can see it's just public now. However, we can fix our privacy on this page. Just click on it, and here you can see multiple options about friends,